Hi, this is Gina, and welcome to my channel, Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals. Although my channel name has Junk Journals, I haven't made a journal in a while, but I do enjoy participating in collaborations. And this hashtag is Enjoying the Green with Us, and it's hosted by Kim with Kim's Inspired Life and Terry with Tellen's Place. I was so happy when I found this green scrapbook paper at Goodwill, and I wanted to use the card making kit that I won from Susan and Terry's hashtag Hearts Out Here. So thank you, Susan and Terry, for the inspiration. This card making kit had a total of 4 cards, and they had tags and pullouts. So it was a different type of style. I was able to add some of my extra scraps to these fun cards. This particular card is a happy birthday card, and it reads, "Hoping your birthday is bright and full of good cheer and enough joy and pleasure to last through the year." I also decided to add some lines on the back of the card so they can be personalized, and then I used some of my washi tape to decorate the outside of the envelopes. For this card, I used some of my positive affirmations, and it says, "Happiness is contagious," and then in the inside it says, "Dance in the rain." I also decided to add some lace here at the end, and you may have noticed that I used washi tape on all of the little tabs. On this card, I used one of my stamps with Dream on it with some extra scrapbook paper with flowers, and the inside it reads, "Cheerful smiles, a hug or two, happy thoughts are wished for you." For this last card, I used my stamps again, and it has best wishes on the outside with a different layout style, and on the inside it says, "Remember this moment." So that is it. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and thank you, Kim and Terry, for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and I'm glad I was finally able to participate. And as always, I want to thank my subscribers. I appreciate you so much for liking my videos, for commenting on my videos, and for your support. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for visiting. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and stick around. Maybe you'll like some of my other videos. So thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.